Hi guys, this is Bharat Junjunwala from wavemetric.com and I excuse me, I welcome you to the update of Nifty since we have ended an important month, that is the September month, and a lot of events are lined up in the coming month. First is the second quarter results and then the monetary policies and also development of the cross-border tensions and presidential elections. So amidst of all of these things, let us see where Nifty is headed. We'll take a look from the monthly charts to the daily charts, even hourly charts if it is possible, and we'll see where the direction of Nifty lies in every time frame. So this is the monthly chart of Nifty, and we see that after a long time, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 months to 7 months. After 6 months, we have seen a black candle and a lower close in Nifty. From the last 6 months, the Nifty has been closing high on the high note, but from this month, the Nifty has closed on the lower note, and also we are running into a resistance, that is the previous resistance at I suppose it was at 9191 levels. The high was at 9191 levels. So we have to take caution here because we are moving near a resistance area and we are getting some bearish candles on the way. Now the RSI is very well defined above 60 right now, so there is no there is nothing, there is as of now on the monthly chart the trend is intact on the upside. There is no signs of crackdown on the monthly charts, but still we have to take caution because this is the monthly charts, and if even little bit correction, even a black candle or any correction on the monthly charts will take big effect on the weekly and the daily charts. So we see that this is the candle, black candle, that has appeared here, and on above of this we have the resistance level of 9191 levels. So I'm expecting the monthly trend to be intact. We can see little bit of correction on the monthly charts and then move forward. Now look at the weekly charts. Now the weekly chart is presenting a very type of interesting type of thing, because you can see here the candle has punctured the Bollinger Band on the upside and a downside correction is due. Now also if you see this rising channel on the RSI has been broken and RSI has drifted below 58 here at this level, and we have this bearish volume here. Also the 534 MACD has given us a sell signal. It has not given us a sell signal from a long time, that is it was just taking support on the signal line and bouncing back, but this time it has failed to do this and has given a type of indication that the correction this time is more intense than the previous ones, and there is a huge loss of momentum. Also this trend line, this channel trend line on the RSI have given away. So in a nutshell, you can understand that this correction that has taken place in Nifty is more intense and more loss of momentum has happened than before. Now let us look at the daily chart. Now also on the daily chart I see that Nifty has taken bounce on the 40 levels on the RSI and also taken bounce on this slanting channel. So what I can expect here in the daily charts, that there may be some type of upward movement on the Nifty on the daily charts. At least it can touch this trend line, and then we have to see whether it breaches this or not, and if the breach is there, then I think we can travel little bit more upside. But again on the price action we see a following window here, and Nifty has obeyed the following window before also at this level. So this is the range, and to again maintain uptrend on the daily chart, Nifty has to breach the highs and go up. So there is this does not give me any point right now to go long in Nifty. At least it is the type of wait and watch situation. Weekly charts are gloomy and they are telling me that Nifty there may be a type of consolidation or even a correction in Nifty. If we take this FIBO around 8150 levels, and the 50% level of the whole move is around 7894. So let us see where we will stop. Also, this 50% level is coinciding with the Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band. So I think that we may see little bit of correction, ongoing correction, because of the tension of cross-border tension is there, and presidential elections are there. Again, this quarter results are coming up, and of course the RBI monetary policy. So maybe RBI monetary policy may be a trigger of topping for Nifty, but again we have to wait and watch. There is nothing hard and fast in technical analysis. Technicals can change overnight, right? And we have to mold ourselves as the technical change. So stay tuned and trade well. And for more updates, just keep visiting my website. It is www.wavemetric.com, and I'll just try to update every result day the scripts that are important for everybody, that is at least that compose they are composed in Sensex or Nifty. I'll just try to update them every day. So stay tuned. Bye bye.